Hi everyone, my name is Terry. I'm an inventory management specialist here at Cross Hose in Asheville, North Carolina. I've currently worked in this industry for 32 years now, and today we will be reviewing the Kuriyama WE Series food grade PVC material handling hose with embedded static wire. Commonly you will see this used in plastic processing facilities, plastic bottles, plastic automotive parts. The plastic pellets, as they travel through the hose, can create a static electricity. And what it does is it helps to prevent the material that's flowing through the hose from having static electricity buildup. This will prevent clogging of the material as it transfers through the hose. Also, when properly grounded, the static electricity can sometimes interfere with sensors and other electronics on your machinery, which will in return clog up the hose, which will then shut your machine down. This static electricity buildup can be prevented by using the Kuriyama WE Series hose. The construction of this hose is a PVC tube with a rigid PVC helix, and the grounding wire is embedded into the helix. This prevents material contamination. If you're looking for a hose that will prevent static electricity, the Kuriyama WE hose is the hose that you're looking for. If you have any questions and would like to contact us, please reach out to us at crossco.com. Thank you. Have a great day.